Hello from Hengehold Trucks. This right here is a 2023 Ford Transit 350 with 38,750 miles. Yes, it looks this good in real life. Stick around to the end of this video to hear this baby's engine purr. This vehicle's highlights include a 12-inch touchscreen radio, navigation, Bluetooth, cruise control, keyless entry, and more. It can be converted to 10 passengers, including the driver, for school use, with regular driver's license. Businesses have counted on Hengehold Trucks for over 75 years. Every truck we sell is carefully selected, inspected, and serviced for reliability. We don't do gimmicks or shortcuts, just quality trucks, fair deals, and a handshake you can count on. At Hengehold, it's more than a truck. It's your business.